Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we enable auto rotate in our Infinix phone, and guys how can you use your auto rotate setting in your Infinix phone. In this video friends I will show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon guys, like my video. So first of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting to enable your auto rotate. Then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see your display and brightness setting guys. Click here. As again scroll friends, you want to enable your auto rotate friends, you can enable from this right side. So as your auto rotate will enable. So if you use any YouTube and guys any app, so you can rotate your phone automatic. So you can use it. Wait here. Friends, you can see this rotate setting friends enable in our Infinix phone. Then guys we can use this rotate setting. So like that guys you can. So friends, you can enable your auto rotate. And guys, sorry for disturbing guys. I paused the video because of sound. I am really sorry friends. Bye friends.